Good morning, children. Welcome to Mahila Samaja online classes. Class 2nd standard, subject EVS, topic Tick Tock of the Clock. This is second semester book. We should learn today Tick Tock of the Clock lesson. Dear children, now we are going to learn new lesson Tick Tock of the Clock. Now observe in your textbook, children. Go to bed. It is 9 o'clock, said Papa to Golu Gopalan. Goluji set the alarm for 6 o'clock. His alarm clock made a big noise. It had two arms on its sides. Out came the arms and shook him. Ting-a-ling, ting-a-ling, wake up, Golu. Hurry, hurry. He had to be on time for the school bus. All day long, he had to watch time and do things. Yes, Golu Gopal and Papa said to Golu, go to bed. ಬೇಗ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಲ್ಕೋ 9 o'clock ಆದ ತಕ್ಷಣ ಅವರಪ್ಪ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಗೋಲುಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಲ್ಕೋ, go to bed. And you have to sleep soon, no? Goluji set his alarm for 6 o'clock. Yes, morning 6 o'clock. He set his alarm. 6 o'clock alarm. His alarm clock made a big noise. Every day is going to set the alarm for 6 o'clock. His alarm clock made a big noise. It had two arms on its sides. Out came the arms and shook him. Every day morning, the alarm goes ring, ting-a-ling, ting-a-ling, like wake up, Golu, hurry, hurry, like that. Alarm makes noise. That time Golu wake ups. He had to be on time for the school bus. If you are waking late means that time you cannot go to school in time, no? So that time we should wake up early in the morning. All day long he had to watch time and do things. Yes, if you are not follow the time means it never stops. Time is moving. Okay, always we should wake up early in the morning. 6 o'clock we should go to bed night at 9 o'clock and early morning we should wake up at 6 o'clock. After waking we should brush our teeth also. Time to get up and go to school. Hurry, don't to be late. Yes, we should not go to school late. We should go to school hurriedly. Okay, children? Meals are the food we'll get cold, and cold dal, rice, chapati and vegetables do not taste as good. Also, he will have to eat alone as family would have finished eating. Yes, meals are the food we are eating every day. Afternoon, no? That time we are eating cold dal, rice, chapati and vegetables also. It is not taste good because it becomes cold. Afternoon lunch you are eating, no, in the box. That time all this one becomes cold. Okay. Also we will have to eat alone. Alone as family would have finished. Night time while you are eating, that time you are only eating late because your parents are eating soon. Okay, that time it will be hot. But afternoon only it's cold. If you are in home means that time your mummy giving all the meals your mummy giving hot. But when you are bringing box, no, that time all the meals become cold. Rice also cold, dal also cold, chapati also it will become cold. Okay, at night time your parents already finished eating. You will have to eat alone as family would have finished eating. Yes, what time you are eating lunch, children? Yes, exact 1 o'clock. After lunch, after bell rings, you are going to eat the lunch. Now observe in this clock, what time is it? Yes, observe children, there are two hands. One hand is short, another one hand is long. Short hand shows hours. Understood, children? Short hand shows hours, long hand shows minutes. Okay, now time is 1 o'clock. We should say 1 o'clock. What time is it, children? 1 o'clock. Time to eat. It's lunch time. Hurry, don't to be late. While you are eating, someone eating too late. Okay, so time to eat. It's lunch time. Time to eat. Lunch time. We should eat quickly. Don't to be late. School or the school gates will close and he will be marked absent. He loved school and tried not to miss a single day. Golu liked to go to school. You are also come to school no every day. But this is unfortunately you are not coming to school because of coronavirus. Okay, stay at home only safely, children. Okay, but in this story, Golu likes to come to school. He loves school and try not to miss a single day. Don't like to miss the school single day. Yes, you should come to go to school on time. And also we are spending more hours in school, no? Yes. TV or he will miss the beginning of his favorite serials on Cartoon Network. Yes, Golu miss the TV serials in the beginning of his favorite TV serials on Cartoon Network. When he is staying at home means that time he is watching his favorite cartoon serials. But when school opens, no, that time he is coming to school. That time he is missed the beginning of his favorite serials on Cartoon Network. If your school reopens means you are also coming to school, no? That time also you're missing your favorite serials, no? Serials and Cartoon Network. Like that also, Golu also missed his beginning of his favorite serials on Cartoon Network. See, while going to school, that time he is in school, no, that time he can't watch TV. Okay. Bed. Or his friends Bolu and Teddy, Manu the monkey, Silky the cat, and Socks the lamb will get angry and will refuse to sleep with him. Yes, bedtime is friends Bolu, Teddy, Bolu the teddy. Teddy is also friend and Manu the monkey. Monkey also Goluji friend and Silky the cat. Cat also Golu friend. Socks the lamb. Lamb name is Socks. They will get angry and will refuse to sleep with him. See, Teddy, monkey, and cat and lamb are the lamb are the friends. They don't like to sleep along with. They refuse to sleep with them. Okay. Yes. Time for to go to bed. Hurry. Don't to be late. We should go to bed early. Okay. Exact 9 o'clock. In this picture they are given 8 o'clock, but you should go to bed at 9 o'clock. Play. Or his friends will already have made teams and he would be left out from the team games. He hated being the referee. Yes, if you are going to play means that time also you should go correct time. If you are going late means, yes, all the team will they will make the team and they are going to play. That time what you should become? Yes, you are becoming a referee. Referee you won't play anything. Just he is giving guide. But he hated, Goluji hated being the referee. Understood, children? Yes. It's time for play. Evening time you are playing, no? Yes. Play together. You should play together. Understanding time. Observe in this picture, children. Yes, this is one clock. Here, two hands are there. One hand is short hand and long hand shows minutes. Long hand shows minutes. Short hand shows hours. Yes, children. Short hand shows what, children? Yes, hours. Yes, in your textbook, observe it. One day has 24 hours. Yes, one day has how many hours, children? Yes, 24 hours. 1 hour has 60 minutes. 1 minute has 60 seconds. 1 minute also has 60 seconds. The hands of the clock keep going round and round all the time. When the clock shows, when the clock slows down, we change the battery and it starts working again. Yes, one day has 24 hours. A day has 24 hours. 12 hours day and another 12 hours it will become night. Okay, 1 hour has 60 minutes. 1 hour has 60 minutes. A minute has 60 seconds. The hands of the clock keep going round and round all the time. And everybody observe, children? Yes, all the time clock only works. It is keep going round and round. Always it is doing its work sincerely. No, the clock. When the clock slows down, yes, that time we change the battery. If it is battery over means shell. We call that shell also. No, if battery change, we are going to change the battery and again it will start working again. See, observe, children. Yes, one day has 24 hours. 1 hour has how many minutes? Yes, 60 minutes. 60 minutes makes 1 hour. Okay. Therefore in an hour we have 60 minutes. Okay, 60 minutes. 5 minutes. Here you can see near to the one come means 5 minutes. Long hand near to the 2 come means in this clock exactly 1 o'clock it's showing. Okay, if it is long hand come to near to the 2 means 5 twos are 10. So we can like that only. If you know tables 5 ones are means we can observe. We can say the time very easily. Okay, 5 ones are 5. If it is long hand comes near to the 1 means that time 1 o'clock 5 minutes. Okay, like that also we can say the time using 5 ones are table. Okay, 5 it is if it is come near to the 2, long hands come near to the 2 means that time we can say the time 1 o'clock 10 minutes. Near to the 3 it come means long hand, that time we can say the time 1 o'clock 15 minutes. Okay, each observe in this picture, children, each line respects a minutes. You can observe small lines between 1 and 2, 12 and 1, like that only. Whole clock you can observe. No, each line respects a minute. 1 minute, 2 minute, like that we can say. The minute, hence the minute hand moves from 12 to 2. It took 10 minutes. We don't wear a clock on our hands. Why? Why we don't wear a clock on our hands? Because we are going to hang the clock on the wall. In olden days, people did not have clocks. They looked at the sun and used a sundial to tell the time. Yes, in olden days, people did not have clocks. They looked at the sun. They are observing the sun and how the sun is moving. That time they are using to tell the time using sundial. Okay, the sun and used a sundial to tell the time. The day begins with sunrise in the east. It is dawn. The sky looks beautiful. It is morning. Time to wake up and get ready for school. Yes, the day always begins with sunrise. Surya ಹುಟ್ಟಿದ್ರೆ ತಾನೇ ನಮಗೆ ಬೆಳಕಾಗುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ? Yes, always which side sun rises? Yes, the sunrise in the east. It is dawn. That one also we can say dawn. It is dawn. The sky looks beautiful. That time the sky looks very beautiful in the morning. Time to wake up and get ready for school. school. After sunrise, everybody wake up early, no? Yes, because we should go to school, no? To wake up and get ready for school. Afternoon follows. 12 o'clock is called noon. Then comes evening. The sun sets in the west. The sky looks very colorful. When evening is over, it becomes dark. It is night. Time for dinner and then bed. Yes, children. Afternoon follows. 12 o'clock, after 12 o'clock, we can say that noon. Afternoon we are telling, no, that one also we called it noon. Morning we can say dawn. It's dawn. Day begins with dawn, no? Afternoon we can say noon. And then comes evening. Evening means sayankala antiralva. Then comes evening. The sun sets in the west. The sun rises in the east and sun sets in the west. Surya ಮುಳುಗೋದು ವೆಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಅಲ್ವಾ. The sky looks very colorful. That time also sky looks very colorful. When evening is over, it becomes dark. That time it becomes dark. Dark means ಕತ್ಲ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. It is night. That is only called as night. Time for dinner and then bed. Yes, time for dinner and then bed. You see, observe. It's morning. This is called as dawn. Evening time, that when you can say dusk. Dusk means evening. When it is becomes dark, no, that time we can say dusk. Dawn means morning. Dusk means evening. We can say evening. Afternoon also we can say noon. Yes, every day after waking you are doing exercise, no? Yes, after brush your teeth every day you are going to get ready for school. Here observe in your textbook, first picture, that is when sun rises in the east, that is called as dawn. It looks very beautiful, no? Afternoon we can say noon. Second picture observe, sun rises, goes up. So this is second picture. We can say that noon. And third one, it's evening. Evening also very nice. It's sun sets in the west. The sky also looks very colorful. Okay, that is dusk. We can say dusk. Night time, it's night time for dinner. We are going eating night meal is called as dinner. Golu is lucky. He gets to hear a few bedtime stories from his grandparents. You are also lucky, no? Your grandparents, I think your grandparents also telling you stories when bedtime. Okay, Golu is also lucky. He gets to hear a few bedtime stories. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರೋ ಸ್ಟೋರೀಸು ಗ್ರ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಪೇರೆಂಟ್ಸೇ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮಲಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಅಲ್ವಾ. ಎಸ್, ಎವ್ರಿಥಿಂಗ್ ಹ್ಯಾಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಡನ್ ಆನ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ to be punctual. Yes, everything has to be done on time. Being on time means to be punctual. School bell rings on time. Trains and planes have to come and go on time. Yes, children. ಯಾವಾಗಲೂ ನಾವು ಆವಾಗಿನ ಕೆಲಸ ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಟೈಮ್ ಸರಿಯಾಗಿ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಬೀಯಿಂಗ್ ಆನ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಟು ಬಿ ಪಂಕ್ಚುಯಲ್. ಎಸ್, ಮಾರ್ನಿಂಗ್ ಯು ಆರ್ ಕಮಿಂಗ್ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ exact time only you should come, no? Yes, if you are coming late means your attendance will be marked as absent. So everybody come to school the correct time. Okay, we should follow the time. Bell ಆಗೋಷ್ಟೊತ್ತಿಗೆ ಸ್ಕೂಲ್ಗೆ ಬಂದಿರಬೇಕು. ಓಕೆ, ಟ್ರೈನ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಪ್ಲೇನ್ಸ್ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಕಮ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಗೋ ಆನ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಎಸ್, ಟ್ರೈನ್ಸ್ ಮತ್ತು ಪ್ಲೇನ್ ಯಾವತ್ತೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಆನ್ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ ಮತ್ತು ಆನ್ ಟೈಮ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗುತ್ತೆ. ವಿ ಮಸ್ಟ್ ಆಲ್ವೇಸ್ ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಬಿ ಪಂಕ್ಚುಯಲ್. ಯಾವತ್ತು ನಾವು ಪಂಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಆಲ್ಸೋ ಟ್ರೈ ನಾಟ್ ಟು ವೇಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಯಾವತ್ತು ಟೈಮ್ ವೇಸ್ಟು ಮಾಡಲೇಬಾರ್ದು. ವಿ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಪಂಕ್ಚುಯಲ್. ಟ್ರೈ ಟು ಬಿ ಪಂಕ್ಚುಯಲ್. ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಪಂಕ್ಚುಯಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇರೋದಕ್ಕೆ. ಓಕೆ, ಸಿ ದಿಸ್ ಇಸ್ ದ ಟೈಮ್ ಇನ್ ದಿಸ್ ಕ್ಲಾಕ್ 7 o'clock. The time is most important. We should not waste the time. Okay. Each represent 2 minutes. Here minutes, small hands is there, no? That is minute hand. Okay. There are 4 lines between each of the number. 4 lines. Observing children, each number 1 and 2 between there are 4 lines. This is minute. Okay. From midnight to 12 noon, we had AM for telling the time. For example, Golu's school begins at 9 AM. Yes. Midnight in the Madhyana 12 o'clock ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ we add AM. From midnight to noon, we add AM for telling the time. For example, Golu's school begins at 9 AM. Our school also begins 9:30 AM. Okay, children? Yes. We should say morning AM. Okay, afternoon, after we can say PM. From afternoon to midnight, we add PM. Children must be in bed by 9 PM. 9 o'clock. By night you are sleeping, no? That time, bedtime is called as 9 PM. Early morning you are coming to school, no? That is 9 AM. Okay. Quarter fast, half fast, quarter to are used to telling the time. Here you can observe some pictures are there, clock pictures. You can say first clock the time shows 9 o'clock. Yes. Shorthand is at 9 and longhand is at exactly 12. So the time is 9 o'clock. In second picture, observe children. Shorthand is at 9. Longhand is at 3. Are you observing children? Where is longhand? Yes, you are correct. Longhand is at 3. The time is 9 o'clock 15 minutes. Now 5 3s are how much? 15. You should say the table. That time you can say the time very easily. 9 o'clock 15 minutes. That means you can say quarter past 9. Another one method also you can say it's time quarter past 9. In third picture, you can observe very small hand, very short hand and very long hand. Tell me children. Yes, you are correct. 9 is, short hand is at between 9 and 10 and long hand is at 6. So the time is 9 o'clock and 5 6 are 30, no? 9 o'clock 30 minutes. You can say another one method, half past 9. Yes, half past 9. Fourth picture, you can observe children. Yes, shorthand is at, yes, before 8. Shorthand is at before 8 and longhand is at 9. So the time is 5 9s how much? 45. The time is 7 o'clock 45 minutes. Now we can say quarter to 9. In last picture, shorthand is before 10 and longhand is at 9. Now we can say the time it's 9 o'clock 45 minutes. Quarter to 10. Quarter to 10 means remaining only 15 minutes to becoming 10 o'clock. Okay, understood children? Let us see more clocks. We can also write AM as AM and PM as PM capital PM or P dot M. Let us learn few examples. See children, in this clock, shorthand and longhand also near to the exactly 12 o'clock. Now time is, it's 12 o'clock. Now what time is it? Tell me children. Yes, shorthand is at 1 and longhand is at 12. Now the time is 1 o'clock. Here shorthand is at 2, longhand is at exactly 12. Now what time is it? Yes, you are correct. It's 2 o'clock. See, in this clock, what time? Tell me, children. Yes, shorthand where it is? 3. Near to the 3 and longhand it shows 12. See, this is 3 o'clock. Now you say what time is it? Yes, you are correct. 4 o'clock. What time is it, children? 5 o'clock. This is 8 o'clock, 10 o'clock and 12 o'clock. Here you observe in this one, if it is, here you can see the around the clock, near to the 1, 5 is there. 5 ones are 5, 2 means 10, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25, 5 6s are 30, 5 7s are 35, 5 8s are 40, 5 9s are 45, 5 10s are 50, 5 11s are 55, 5 12s are 60. If you are adding 5 5 5 means it will become 60. 60 minutes makes 1 hour. Understood, children? Yes. Here are the small lines are there, no? Between 1 and 2 that shows minutes. Okay. Here near to the 12 to 1 come means that is 5 minutes. 1 to 2 if it is come means long and that is 10 minutes. 5 o'clock, 12 o'clock, 10 minutes. Okay, let us practice some more clocks. Here, where is shorthand? Yes, it is near to 12 and longhand is at 3. So, time is 12 o'clock, 15 minutes. In this one, shorthand is at 6 and longhand is at 3. So, this is 5 3 is a 15. Now, 6 o'clock. First, you write shorthand where it is shorthand. 6 near to 6 means 6 o'clock. Longhand is at 3 means 5 3 is a 15. 15 minutes. Longhand always shows minute. Shorthand shows hours. Here is both shorthand and longhand is at 3. Now the time is 3 o'clock 15 minutes. Here is shorthand is at 7 and longhand is near to the 3. 5 3s are 15. 7 o'clock 15 minutes. Here 11 o'clock 15 minutes. Here 3 o'clock 30 minutes. 5 6 are 30. No, longhand shows minutes. Shorthand shows hours. Longhand is between 3 and 4. So the time is 3 o'clock 30 minutes. 3 o'clock 30 minutes. In this clock 4 o'clock 30 minutes. This clock shows 6 o'clock 30 minutes. In this clock it shows 1 o'clock 30 minutes. Here this clock shorthand is at before 3. But you should consider 2 o'clock and 5 8s are 40. No, 2 o'clock 40 minutes. Here 3 o'clock 45 minutes. This is 12 o'clock 5 minutes. Here is 12 o'clock 10 minutes. Here in your textbook few exercises there. Now shall we do? Tick the true sentences. From midnight to noon, is it? It is PM. That is false statement. Midnight to noon, it is AM. It should be AM, but they are given PM. So you write here false. We must not waste time. That is true. Watches are hung on the wall. False. Clocks only hung on the wall, no, but they are given watches. So that is false statement. The day begins with sunrise. Yes, that is correct. True. Right there. True. Midday and noon are the same. Yes, that is also true statement. 1 hour has 60 seconds. Yes, wrong. That is false statement. 1 hour has 60 minutes. Understood, children? But they are given seconds. That is wrong. We wear a calendar on our hands. That is false. We won't wear calendar on our hands. Okay, next fill in the blanks. In olden days, people used a sundial to tell the time. There are 24 hours in a day. It becomes dark after the evening. We have breakfast in the morning. 60 minutes make an hour. Quarter past means 15 minutes after an hour. Write AM or PM on the line. Evening, PM. School, we are coming to school morning only, no? So we should write AM. Breakfast also, we are doing morning. AM, we should write. Dinner, we are eating night time. PM, we should write. Lunch also, PM. After 12 o'clock, noon after 12 o'clock, you should write PM. Sleep, that is also PM. This activity, you should write your own activity. You should write in your textbook only. Here, next fifth main, read the clues, solve the crossword. Here, one crossword is there. That one we will read. I'll read the first clues down. First one, never late. Never late means punctual. Second one is tells time. Which one tells time? Clock. That is correct. Second one is across. Across means you should write midday. Midday means noon. Opposite of punctual is late. Yes, I hope everybody understood this lesson, children. Write all these mains in your classwork. Thank you, children.